Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can manage your reports, how you can manage your report section on the MyFitnessPal website. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to so first of all, what we have to do simply we need to go to the website, and after going to the website, as you can see, choose a report. So you have to choose the report. For example, for I'm going to choose the report for the weight. So you have to choose that weight. So as you can see, you will get all your details here for the last 7 days, for the last 30 days. But the condition is that you have to maintain your food section, you have to maintain your exercise section. And after maintaining these all section, you will get you automatically report here. And then what you have to do, simply you just have to click on the export. And after clicking on the export, your report will be exported. So as you can see, has a recent verification email. But before doing these all things, I have to verify the email. And after verification, the email, your report will be sent on your email address. So in this way, you can manage your report section, but keep in mind that before using the report section, you have to maintain these both options, food section and the exercise section. And after that, you will get the better result and the best result as well. So in this way, you can manage your report section. So I hope you guys understand this video that how you can export your report and how you can manage your report. So see you guys in the next video.